Hi guys, in this video we are going to fix the black screen issue with the Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you're having this issue, you can go right ahead, you can press all the buttons, volume down, you can also press the volume up, you can also press the power button as well. You want to press all these buttons together to ensure that we feel the phone vibrates. When you feel the phone vibrates, you release the buttons. Another thing, you can try the volume down, the power. You want to hold. If you feel the phone vibrate, then you release the buttons just to allow the phone to restart. If you're still not seeing the logo, just give it a few seconds, then you want to try again. There you go. So here you see that the screen lights up. If you're still having an issue where it's not lighting up, then you can hold the volume down and the power button, and you can plug in your charger before doing so. So you plug in your charger and then you hold the volume down and the power button. So by doing this, it can help you to force restart your device. It will clear the phone memory system, and you should definitely get your phone screen on back and working. So guys, I hope that this was helpful, and if it was, guys, do like, share and subscribe. Any additional comments, you can let me know in the comment section as well. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.